So guys, hello everyone, it's me Saif again and I hope everyone is doing alright. So today again we have been starting with a new thing. Not a new thing, basically, as you know that each step by step we have been trying to make educational of this trading more and more ahead. And many of the people, as you know, they keep joining my VIP chat. By the way, I do have a VIP chat, as you know, and all the links have been down below in the description, comment section and everything. I'll show you how it goes on and how we people interact with each other, and how we discuss it. Even if we make a little bit of losses or the profit, we have this aftermath discussion, what we say, like how we made it and everything. So let me show you right now. Here I'll show you step by step how it is. So it has been great yesterday also. As you can see right now, I've been having the trading session regularly. It's like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Sunday and Monday I'm keeping an off, to be really honest. And so this is how it has been going. So it's been wonderful. I'll show you. Yesterday also the results were been great. And one of the two of the person, when they are late or something, they're always like, say, one more and two more signals, you need to have it. So this is the kind of thing that has been going on. So this is the thing, VIP. So as I said it before, all the links have been given down in the description channel and everything. So you do join in. Let me know each and everyone. I do personally answer them. So that is how the thing, and you know it about it. So this how it goes. This how it's been there. So let's start with right now next move. As you can see today also, as you can see already, I was been planning with the 3 indicators. So I'll teach you and explain you. Maybe you understand it. Even if you don't understand it, you know where to find me. And so we can go and start right now. Step by step, we can make it more easier. So let's start it right now. All you need to have a pocket option. All the settings as you have it. This 30 seconds and expiration time also 30 seconds as you need to have it. So you can have it, and we'll start with small amounts also, so you can also understand into a way how we have been growing on. So let's start it now. Each and everything step by step I'll teach you again. So now today the 3 indicators that we'll be using is the amalgamation of the 3. It's easy. It's not so complicated. I understand, like many people only prefer 2 who are beginners into a way, and many people only prefer like some kind of more. It's a denominator and it's about the average things and everything with this indicators. But right now I'll show you how it goes up to be. So the first indicator, it's shown, it's like a super trend, and maybe we use it rate of change. It's more easily fractal and parabolic SAR. So these are the 3. Now I'll show you what kind of changes we need to do it specifically for it. So fractal, keep it as simple as default. Just make it everything here also green, red. Just make it safe, everything as default. Parabolic SAR, you just need to keep it same, but you just need to make it a 2px the opacity, so it's clearly visible how it's connecting and when it's having the, how do we say it, pull back or something. I will explain you in the thing. Rate of change, as always, you have seen it's 22. So here it goes to 21 and 22. Styles, we need to keep it same, 2px. You can make it green. I like green because it's a color of go. It's a color of profits. So that is what the thing. So step by step, now 150 has been there. Time has been, expiration time has been 30. Candle second has also been 30. So let's go to the currency above and check step by step. So here, as you can see here, it was been a pullback on 14.07 and 30. And here again, you can see it's like 14.10, 30. So one of the things here, and one of the pullbacks here, and one of the things, and this also. So it seems to be a really good one. But still, as you can see here, how the fractal has been showing the mark for the whiskers, this and this and this and this. So this also does not seem a good trade for us, because even if I'm using 3 indicators basically, so each and everything to have like amalgamation of everything and make it as one strategy, so we can have a profit, a good one. And even if I understand you, even if you cannot sometimes in a hurry, many of the times we do take a trade when in a hurry, and we do tend to make it into a way like if we have the rate of change is showing us in a one form, and if fractal is showing is in another second form, and parabolic activity has been showing in a third form. Like 2 of the indicators might show it, and still the third of the indicators might reflect it into some different way, but still I'll show you how we can make it. So let's go here. Okay, so the first one, as you can see, 14th 11 it was been a dip, and here also it was been showing, and how the parabolic SAR has been getting a downfall here, and same as it has been here onto a peak also, and here also to a peak. So here we can take an upward trade right now. As you can see right now on 14-11 it was been sharp, and here also. So you need to understand that somewhere or the other, one of the things basically you need to understand, like whenever you check the indicators and the timings and how we are doing it, it's really important to understand and make it understand into a way like how we are taking it the things. Even if you don't understand, you can always type me, comment down in the YouTube, but mostly I'm active on the VIP chats. So you need to understand, it was an easy way. This was a really easy way, plus 288. So as you can see it, how it was been slow. First I checked it. First one, the currency pair was not showing the same thing for the all the three indicators. Second also. So that is what the thing. So let's take the profit 288, and that's it. So step by step again. Okay, here as you can see it again, it was been on 14-11 here also. This currency pair shows it into a way here also. So 1409 and 14030 and 14011 and 12, and here as you can see it. So many of the times, as you can see, like how it has been in fractal, the parabolic, as you can see it, how it has been. So maybe you sometimes squeeze a little bit of chart and analyze it more into a way like how it has been going. So here as you can see, it is not been down break, but here as you can see here, it was been a conversion here for parabolic SAR. You can see how it's interlapting and loop into it. So here as you can see, so here also it's a good trade, profitable trade to take an upward trade right now. And the reason I took here also an upward trade right now, because sometimes you need to understand like how it has been going from here. So here it hasn't been there. So this is the pullback that many of the people do make a mistake. Like I tend to make it into this way. Like sometimes, you know, in a hurry, like as we can see it, how it has been going on. So here we can make a mistakes many of the times, and still we can have it. So that is what the thing you need to know and understand. So this kind of small mistakes, if you do it, then we can have a loss, but it's not a problem. See, I'll show you again and how we can make it into a right way. So here it was been a pullback, and here also it was been a pullback, and here also it was been a pullback, and here also it was been a pullback. So here as you can see it, here as you can see it, so this also does not seems to be a good trade. Here also it, as you can see, this also not seems to be a good trade because of the overlapping of the fractal to the parabolic SAR. So this also, it does not seems to be. This also, it was there in the, it was there a pullback here also, and here also. So let me check how it has been going. So here we can take a downward trade right now. As you can see it, how it has been there for one of the expects here also, which was been shown. See, as you can see the whiskers, as here also you can see the whiskers as the same thing. So how it has been moving upwards, but still one of the parabolic and rate of change has been showing the same patterns. So you need to understand one of the most basic thing, like whenever you're seeing, you're only not seeing the indicators, but you are also seeing how the chart formation is been moving it. So the basic kind of thing. So even if we are losing it, I know we can recover the same kind of thing again with the same, like the expects what we make it and move it and have it into a way. And so that is what the thing. So let's go for the third trade, and 552 we had a profit. So 552, let's go and start it more. Let's check it. Here also it has been there, and here also it was been a pullback, and here also it was been a pullback. So one pullback, second pullback, third pullback, this also, this also, this also, and this also. So it's really important, like you can see how the rate of change has been showing a Vivek mark in everything. And one of the things like fractal, how it has been showing it into a way. So this is also does not take a good trade for us. Let's see it into this way. Here as you can see is pullback, and here also. So this also seems to be a really good trade to take an upward trade right now, because as you can see it was been a pullback, still it has been maintaining a really good thing, and still here also, and here as you can see it was been there. So first of all, the thing that we can maintain it into a way and having it up to a way like how it goes up to be, and still. So many of the times you understand, we take a trade in a hurry, first thing, and second thing we make a mistakes also. So this is what the thing I needed to let you know also, like how we can have it into a way and how most of the time. So let's go right now, taken 552. Let's go here and see it here, and see it here, and see it here. So it was been a down back, it was been a pullback, and here again. So let's go and check it more. Here, as you can see it here, as you can see it here, as you can see it here, and one more thing here. So it has been a wavering pullback here also. So still, but the same thing that was been shown into thing, but will not take a trade here, because I said you always, maybe when we are in hurry, or when we are looking up to a thing, when we are emotionally trading, or when we are trading most of the time into the thing, like, you know, I understand it's kind of exhaustion always to see the charts and everything, and you're competing with a market which is little bit unpredictable. So maybe you take a hazel decisions and everything. I showed you also sometimes how I might take also an hazel decisions, fast decision, hasty decision, and make it happen. So this is what the thing. So here also, as you can see it into a way, like how it has been going on. So still it's not a thing. Here it was been a pullback, here it was been a thing, and here also. So first of the thing of, so here it was been a pullback and same kind of figure. So this also does not seem to be a good trade. This as it's been shown, this as it been shown, this as it been shown, and so it seems to be a really wavering and shivering trade, because one of the trade has been showing it into the indicators, as you can see it here. So we'll go and take a downward trade right now. So as you can see how parabolic and fractal has been making a loop into a way, and how everything has been there. See, as you can see from upside, even if you make a thing, like as you can see, let you check it and show you right now. So did you find the similar patterns into a way? Did you find it the similar patterns into a way, how it has been there? And so that's what we can know it. It's a really good trade to have it into a way, and the profitable. So even if you need to understand step by step how we need to go it, or further how we need to make it. Sometimes I understand, like many of the new traders also, they come to me, they ask me about the kind of situations and whatever it is there. But my main motive and goal is to teach you how we can make it each and every time repeatedly. If you are making this kind of strategy, work it, and how you can do it. It's not always about like if you need to have it 99% or 100%, always the trade need to be best. Because even if you are losing the money, or even if you are losing the trade, you need to analyze your mistakes and make it happen much more. So thank you so much. This is all for today, a small video and everything. I hope you like it. Click down, subscribe, and you know where to find me on the VIP chatters also and everything. So thank you so much. See you.